Okay, we're out here at the spot. Looks like the horses beat this spigot up pretty good and bent it right there. So, Big John's in the hole right now. We're gonna try to make that hole a little bit bigger, but right now we wanna know where the water line feeds in. So when we dig with the auger, to just make a manhole.
Right like that.
A little more space, okay.
Straight across there. Yes.
All right, so don't hit that. So we're digging a deep hole here, and then we can just kick this over. If I tried to dig a hole next to another hole, we just fall in. So now we're just knocking this in. It's easy digging because it's sand. We dug down with the Vermeer, and we dug this hole a lot deeper so that we could actually get to the fitting that is sitting right here. So much easier to get to now. I'm going to dig around it a little bit, but we want to take that fitting off and replace it. And this hydrant behind us is the one we're going to put on. So that's what we're looking at right now underground. We're going to put a new one on here and get them all set up.
How much you think?
Real gentle. Yeah. Try to get it all the way around if you can. We're on the other side. Just twist and pull. He's got it. that's what we just pulled off. Now we can work on it a little easier up here.
Mia, who left you outside?
Scattered. Alright, now we're going to put that on the end of this one. Alright, there's a plunger inside here, and when he lifts that handle, you'll see that plunger rise up. It's not going yet. Oh, there it went, there it went. Alright, and then you close it. Do that one more time. Up and then down. There you go, and that rubber seal closes it. This is just a weep hole, so when the water fills up in this pipe and you're done using it, it'll drain right out of that side hole there. Pretty cool design. Put some pipe dope on it. Yes.
See the weep hole for draining?
Mm-hmm.
I was weeping yesterday when I realized I had to dig this hole by hand.
Well, now you don't have to. We use the Vermeer.
Thanks God, and Kenny called this.
Which way you want that handle, John?
Huh?
Which way you want the handle?
However,
Now these guys are tightening it down so that the elbow points the direction we want to allow the spigot to pour water. I think we're going to try to go parallel with this fence. All right, we'll eyeball this and see if that gives us what we're looking for. Good enough? Okay. John, you want another hose clamp? You going to double it, you think, while you're down there?
I might as well, huh?
Yeah, I thought. All right, we're running these hose clamps on opposite sides for a more even pull. Thanks, Dad, for the advice. You can see how one screws on the far side and one screws on the near side. Perfect.
Give me the torch there.
All right, now we're heating this thing up. We want to get it nice and pliable, and then we'll slide the bottom of this fitting in here. We're keeping it clean so it seals real nice.
Tell me when you think, Ken.
Oh, that's probably plenty. Yeah.
Gotta put it on though.
Oh yeah.
Get
Nice.
the clamps on where it's going.
Squeeze those suckers, man. Be stronger, harder. Sometimes you even want to ratchet, but John's got a pretty good grip.
Favor?
Now before we fill this hole in, we're going to turn the water on and make sure that everything's not leaking. Okay, I made a call to the house. This makes it a lot easier having somebody by the
I'll call you back if I need
switch.
to turn it off.
Lean back to you just a little bit off the wall. There you go.
There she leaks. Look at the little leak. Supposed to go.
Yeah, that's the relief valve. That drains that entire pipe so it doesn't freeze in the winter.
I've never taken the time to do that while it was exposed.
This is where you went to gravel and ran the valves.
Yeah, so now,
Really?
yeah. All right, so we're gonna set that valve inside of this bucket and then surround it with gravel. You use less gravel if you use some kind of container. So all we're gonna do is cut a slit down here so that we can set that pipe in it and allow the water to come out, the water line to come out. That's brittle. All right.
Bottom off.
You think, should we punch holes or actually pull the bottom out?
They can run the pipe. They go around the pipe here a little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Well, won't it just go inside it? What are you thinking?
You don't think that'll fit?
Come on.
Huh?
I think you gotta cut a little.
All right, we just want to let some water out of the bottom. We can do that. How's that?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So now we'll fill this thing up as best we can with stone. That's river rock. Maybe I'll just set it in. Yeah. Oh, because we can't lift the lever. Yeah. The lever. There you go. Yeah. Can you reach it? This will make sure it can drain. Dirt won't pack around that weep hole.
They complain when they stand here and hold in. More gravel!
Perfect. Think we can start backfilling. All right, the Vermeer did a really good job. All right, we did not bring the bucket for the Vermeer in our haste, and so the neighbor's got his own tractor, so he's gonna fill this thing in. In this, you could put a level on it, but we're just trying to make sure it's plumb and straight, and it looks pretty good. That hydrant looks pretty darn good. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Then we'll just pack this in with our feet. Over time, that's going to compact down with some of the rain water. So it's good. Hopefully you learned something. We're excited to use the Vermeer again. If you like what you see, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you don't miss our next video.